This is what I hear guys say all the time when they walk up to a girl. Hey, what's up? What's your name? Where you from? What brings you out here? Just question after question. So the girl, what the girl does is she puts you in a filter because she's heard that 20, 30, 40 times this week. So what we do is we deactivate. They have two things that they're thinking in their brain when you walk up to them. Okay, what does this guy want from me? And how long am I gonna have to talk to him? And these are two things that you have to get out of their brain. And once you can answer those two questions that they have, then you move on to the next phase. We have a thing called the 3-second rule, which doesn't give your brain enough time to procrastinate or overthink. So basically when we get to a social gathering, wherever it might be, you count 3 seconds and you go in and you talk to girl, guy, whoever, but you don't let your brain overthink it. So you get in, 1, 2, 3, first person you see, first girl you see, you walk up and go talk to them. Then the first 3 seconds, that's a 3-second rule. Once you're already in that interaction, then I teach you what to say in the next 10 seconds, what will be coming out of your mouth. And then those 10 seconds will lead to the next 30 seconds. And I'm not saying be a robot, be an android. I know what to say right here and right here, but when you have a structure and you have a formula, you can veer off from it and then start to sprinkle your own personality. The point of it is to adapt your own game. Once you get good, you start to get results, you get confidence, because now you have evidence. I can talk to girls, I've had 2 dates this week, and now you have confidence because you know you can do it. Then you can veer off and start showing your own personality, showcase what you have inside. But if you do suffer from approach anxiety, if you do get nervous when you go to a club or a lounge and you're with your friends and you see girls and all you guys do for the whole night is just you're talking amongst each other and you're just like looking at the girl saying, go talk to her, and you guys don't do anything. 4 hours later, you just spend like 60, 70 bucks on drinks and you go home miserable, pissed off. And for the most part, when you do that, after a certain amount of time, you start to get bitter and jaded and you start to blame the women. You'd be surprised what you really have within yourself. When we dig that out and it comes to the surface, it'll be like taking a video of someone that I meet Friday afternoon, and by Sunday afternoon, I show them the video of how they were behaving Saturday night, talking to all these women, and it's so quick how it happens. And I think a lot of that has to do with the confidence that they now know what to say.